Alrighty, so I wanted to finish up a different video. We've already finished the video, but I told you guys I'd let you see how everything turned out. I'm going to take a quart baggie here, and this is the avocado that I did. So I froze it all in these little ice cube trays. And so now you just put them here in the baggie, and you take out a cube or two every time you want to do anything. So if you actually want to make it into guacamole or whatever you want to do from it, just put it in your little quart bag there and pull out, you know, how many ever cubes you want. So now here's the test. Okay. So I opened up a can of tuna and I put 1 cube of the avocado in it. And we're going to use that instead of mayo. And we're going to test it. Because I do love tuna. So, get it mixed together real good. Alright, so I'll show you a picture of the avocado with the tuna. We're going to put it on our bread. A little bit more than a whole sandwich there full. Alright. Alright, here's the test. Okay. 1, 2, 3, here we go. You know what? Actually, after it's mixed with the tuna, you can't even tell, and it's so creamy, so it tastes like you put the your, you know, I don't know, I use mustard and mayo and all that stuff in it, and actually it's pretty good. Would I eat it again? Absolutely. And that shocks me beyond words because I am not an avocado eater. But that is really tasty. That is very tasty. So I guess we never know unless we try something. And it won't go to waste. So there we go. There's the taste test for it. You guys have a blessed day.